Hello everyone. Very good evening. Am I audible to all of you? Arnav, Aditya, Achintya, Ishan, Mithila.
Yes, sir.
Very good evening. How are you everyone? Mithila, where is Ruvantika? Is she with you?
No, sir.
No?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ishan. How are you, Ishan?
I'm fine.
Good. Ruvantika is where is Ruvantika, Mithila? No idea?
No idea, sir. We just arrived to our house, so I don't know.
Okay. Ishan, how are you doing? All good?
Yes.
Good. Mishita? Hope you people are playing a lot of chess, strong chess and solid chess.
I am playing with Arnav right now.
Oh, Arnav. Good. Arnav, how it's going?
Fine, sir.
Fine. So let's start. So, very important class from today. We are going to learn tactics. Before we start tactics, tell me, Nithila, what is the difference between tactics and strategy? I told last time. What is the difference between tactics and strategy, Nithila?
Strategy. We use strategy to.
Achintya?
Sorry.
Strategies is a plan for long term, and then tactics is a plan for short term, like 1 or 2 moves.
Tactics are for short term. 1 move, 2 move, maybe. Strategies are long term, right? Good. Ishan, you want to say something more about strategy and tactics? So what we're going to do today is, guys, first we're going to learn some tactics today. Then I'm going to analyze some of your games and you will pinpoint are any of you or me used any tactics there, okay? It's very important to know we are going to cover a lot of tactics slowly. So ask me as many as questions. More than the technical term, it's about what are tactics and how you can use of it, okay? Aditya, all good? So let's start. First of all, let me share my screen with you. Chess with maths. Okay. So is everyone able to see my screen? So we are going to learn all tactics slowly, and you can ask me as many questions as you have. Yes, you can see my screen. Good. So as I said, as Achintya explained, tactics is very short-term strategy or the idea or some kind of plan. We call it tactic, just for 1 move or 2 move. There are many tactics. We are going to learn some very popular tactics. Some of you may be knowing, some of you may be very new to you. But in all, please, at least today's class, everyone should write also, okay? Just write your own words, what it is. Divakarji, good evening. I'm just starting. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Perfect. So let's start. Divakarji, you are from Rajasthan? Or
Yes.
are you from Rajasthan?
Yes, sir.
Are you from Rajasthan or where?
Sir, from Rajasthan.
Where?
Jaipur.
Because I just saw that.
Okay,
you are-
Darwan.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
So you know Rajasthani, some Rajasthani language?
Actually, Rajasthan language is generally Marwadi here.
Marwadi. You are Marwadi. I speak a lot of Marwadi
Wow.
when I go to my hometown. Not here, but yeah, when I go to.
What is your hometown, sir?
I am from Udaipur.
Wow.
Yes.
Your Marwadi is a little bit different between
Yes.
as compared to our Jaipur one.
Mewadi and Marwadi, little different.
5 types of Marwadis in Rajasthan.
Yeah. Nice to know. So let's start this chess with maths and we are going to talk about tactics today. Very important. If you master tactics, guys, believe me, you will win many matches. You need to master tactics. So what is the first tactic? The most popular one. Fork. Some of you might have heard fork, right? Anybody want to tell me? Ishan? We'll start with Ishan. What is fork? Unmute,
Yeah,
Ishan.
if the king is behind the queen and something is attached to the king and behind it is the king, so it is a fork.
Okay, I'll explain. And how many of you know the English meaning of the fork? What is the English meaning of the word fork? Tell me, anyone, feel free. Fork. Fork. I'll give example. Fork.
You eat with a fork.
You eat with the fork. But what is really fork about? Huh? Sita is saying this. Sita is smiling. Okay. Fork.
It has 4 arms, or we can say the 4 arms or 4 tongues.
It's not about forearm. It's about, see, like this. I met the Y. You see the Y?
Yeah.
From here you are directing 2 places, or you are controlling 2 places. You're controlling.
Oh, sorry.
Fork.
You did it against me in the game.
Yeah, I done in many of games. I'll explain you guys. Guys, you are going to love this. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, feel free to take a screenshot. Fork. What is really fork? Fork is about, oh, 1 piece is attacking 2 pieces at a time. See what is happening here now. Can you tell me what is rook doing? Mithila, what is rook doing here? White rook. I'll tell you all moves from white perspective to explain. What is rook doing here, Mithila?
It is attacking both the
By
bishop
a single move, you are right. My rook is attacking 2 pieces at the same time. Bishop and a knight. Correct, Nana? You can say I am doing fork. I give this example. You can say I am forking. Very well. Ishan said rightly, I have done fork. I have done Arnav, you also fork if you see somewhere. Maybe. So, but is it fork only done by while there is a king? No. See the fork. Yes, Achintya. Today we are going to make more interactive, guys. Yes, Achintya.
A bishop can be attacking 2 pieces at the same time.
Yes. So let me
A
show you.
pawn?
You can take a screenshot. Yes, tell me please.
A pawn means every piece can do it.
Yes, but you know a little bit how. I'll give some examples. Take a screenshot if you want. But more the note down in your notebook and think about it. This. I'm going to give 4 or 5 examples. Then you tell me more. So this is like fork. This is also like fork. Tell me. And the best fork or the most frequent fork is always done by knight. See how beautiful his knight is forking. It's like either you save queen or king. It's a trap. It's a strong trap. Knight is notorious for this. Can you believe that? Knight is notorious for this. Knight does lot of forks. Knight is the one piece which do so many forks. Guys, if you want to master your game, learn fork and use knight lot to do fork. Knight is one of the piece which do lot of forks. Because at this time, no option. He has to save, the black has to save the king. Queen is gone, right? So slowly try to achieve your game. Some positions, remember I told you 3-point formula, 3-point method when you're attacking. So just start thinking, if I do this, I'll fork. That is like the winnable strategy. Beautiful. How? Means tell me, if you are white, you will be very happy about this or not?
Yes.
You and black will say, oh what? Nothing can be done now, right? Because it's fork. One more fork now. See what
But
happening?
it will attack one piece at a time only.
No, it's giving check to a king, right?
Yeah.
It's giving also attacking to queen.
So
No, if he has to move king only, right?
yeah.
Wherever he moves, the white will capture the
Capture
king,
the
queen or
queen.
not. So see,
But targeting 2 pieces at a time, we can say.
that's what fork means. Targeted 2 pieces at a time.
Targeting 2 pieces.
That is the object.
Double
The
attack.
meaning of fork is targeted 2 pieces at a time or at same move with the same move.
Can we say double attack?
No, double attack is different. I'll tell you. It is also a form of double attack, but technically double attack is little different. But yes. So Divakar, it is beautiful, right? Fork is the most strong weapon we have. So let's see one more fork. As I think who was saying, Ishan was saying, or somebody said, we can fork with
Cynthia said.
Achintya. See, now 2 rooks is forked by bishop. He may say 1 rook if you put 1 rook, but you will see one thing. Even if you put this rook here, again it's forking. If you put rook here to save, again forking. It's very difficult, right, Achintya? It's a beautiful position about How will you save? You have to lose one anyway. Yes, your bishop will go, but you are gaining the bigger piece. Interesting. Guys, please master the fork. Very, very wonderful. Let me see if we have more or not. See what is happening now. This is too much. What is this doing? Tell me, Ishal, what is this doing?
Triple attack.
It's a kind of a triple leg. You are giving check. King has to move. You can capture rook or you can capture knight. Just by one.
If the king goes to this, what is it called? H8, then if the
They
queen
will
captures
kill
the
this and
rook,
again kill
another four comes.
Exactly. That's very good, Ishan. See, guys, that is how you have to think. So, queen is giving check to king. Suppose king comes to F. This is F, right? F8. What Achitya will do? Achitya will capture the rook. Again, it's forking with this and this. So, you can say he is greedy, so he'll take both the pieces, right? That is what it is.
Even if you come to H7, still it will work.
Yeah, but if you come to here, then also you can do, then you move somewhere here. But finally you capture anyway. So that's a very strong fork. Interesting.
Yeah.
See what? As Ishan said, we can fork with anything. See who is forking now? Pawn. Pawn. No, you will say which? You have to, you can say only one knight, right? So
This you did, but one knight means
And one
it
bishop.
was a queen and a knight.
yes, and I did in one of the game. I think bishop and knight was there. I forked it, correct? And then queen is there. No, with many people. I done Ishan with you and with many other people also. You are right. It was queen are there. Very dangerous, right? Very hopeless situation for other people, right? You can't say anything, right? So tell me. So do you think king can fork or no? You will
Yes.
be shocked. See what is happening here now. King is attacking you. King is forking. Right, Ishan?
Yeah, I know
It's a
this.
fork always. But we have to use it. It's like, yes, you know, this is we will start. No, how is he can save? He can't save.
But
Worst case, this knight can come here and give check. Doesn't matter. He will still capture the bishop, right? You were saying something, Ishan.
yeah, but still black has advantage because it has one piece.
You are right. You are right. But I don't know. You saw my last class or not? How I moved the pawns. See, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 pawns. 2 pawns. They are not connected. We can't say black has advantage. You don't know the power of pawns, connected pawns. And the
Yeah.
problem is, if we kill, suppose one of them, say knight, bishop alone cannot do anything. Half of the square he can't control, right?
Yeah.
Then pawn will become very dangerous. If you move king very well, pawn and king will really win the match. So you can't really say that black is, yeah, black major pieces more, but may not be that strong. Any question, anyone? Before I ask the question.
Sir, I think you did fork with me at like the start of the game.
Yes, I have done fork with you also, Nishita. Correct.
You got my knight.
I got your line, right? So guys, fork is very dangerous, right? Nobody can, like, you have to lose one piece. Correct? Or the major piece. Clear what is fork? So
Yes.
can anybody think of 114 and tell me verbally? If you want, I can show you the board. You tell me what position can be fork. Tell me anywhere. Shall I open the board? I want you people to tell me, think out some fork and tell me. Yes, Achintya.
Like one knight. So let's say one rook is in the corner, like
Okay.
left corner,
Okay.
and then knight, and then
Aditya, everybody is
queen.
unmuted. Just check. I never muted anyone. So everybody is unmuted. Let me check Aditya. 1 second. Aditya.
And then there is
Hi,
another
Aditya,
rook
now.
in this.
Yes. Tell
And
me,
then
please.
there is another rook in the same line,
So I'll do
white
one
line.
thing. I'll do one thing, Achintya. I'll make a board for you. Okay.
Sure.
So where is my? This is my this. This is my this. this chess live. Let me open one game where which is okay. So please tell me now what you want to. Let me clear it. What do you want me to put? Tell me.
So let's say b6
somewhere
knight,
and white king somewhere.
knight b6,
Knight
knight
put
b6,
b6. Okay.
and then rook on a8,
Rook on a8. Okay.
and then rook on c4.
C4. Okay. Okay. So you want me to put the opposite one, right? This is what
Yeah.
you're saying? Good.
Yeah.
He's forking both the rooks, right? Good. Anybody want to tell me any one fork? I want to. Can anybody tell me any more fork? But fork cannot happen like when you put queen opposite queen directly, right? Unless you are. Anybody want to tell me any more fork? Ishan?
So we can play something at d7 also.
So D7, I'll clear it. Tell me your board, please, Divakarji.
Like we can put a knight at say d3,
E3,
e5.
E5, the black knight.
Black knight will they will both cancel each other.
Yeah.
We can take the rook. We can take the black rook.
Here.
Yes, we can take the black rook here, and we
You
can take
put it here. Though these rooks are connected, but doesn't matter because knight is forking now. So fork is the most popular thing.
Okay.
Yes, please, Ishan.
So the king on d7, the knight is on e7.
Black knight, right?
Yeah, black knight on e7,
Okay.
and the bishop on the what do you call this? Bishop on d. Sorry.
Bishop
But
where?
this is check. So
You put it here.
okay. So bishop on d6, and that's a fork. The king.
Yeah. The only problem with this is a fork. The only problem is king cannot capture the knight because bishop is guarding. But king captured this. So it's a fork, but not very effective. You are right. But if it is here, then you are good. Correct? So you have to think a bit. So initially, see, you are putting here. Yes, please.
Sir, if the bishop is at e6, only bishop at e6.
Okay.
Now, though this is a check situation, but still king can attack bishop. There is no king can attack.
Obviously, king can capture.
King can capture. Yes.
Yes, you can. So king looks to be like okay, very weak piece. It's a very strong piece, but you have to start using it. Good question. Shall we move to tactic number 2 now?
Yes.
Let's start tactic number 2.
Sir,
Yes, please. Aditya.
Sir, I'd like to mention a folk, a very
Yes,
common
please.
folk.
Wait. I'll just share the screen again. 1 second. Tell me, please.
Sir, the knight on c7 and the means where the rook and king is as usual.
So it's here.
No. For example, white knight on c7.
White knight on c7. Okay.
Black rook on 8 as usual. a8. Black rook.
Sorry. Yes.
And king on e8.
It's a very strong. You are right. It's the original position. If you do, Aditya, you are right. Practically, guys, we do a lot of this, right, Aditya? We have done a lot of this today. People who are new to playing, we generally put this so that you lose your knight itself. Even I have done in some of the games. You are right, Aditya. It's a very tactical move. Yes, please, Nikhila. Aditya, thank you. That's a very practical and very important move. Yes, Nikhila.
Thank you.
This is very famous.
Tell me, Nikhila. Yes, it's very famous.
D4.
Who is the D4?
White queen D4.
White queen D4, okay.
Okay. And bishop, black bishop h8.
8,
That's h8.
h8, okay.
And black rook is on d8.
Okay.
And other black rook is on a1.
A1. Okay. Now, you are right that, but, Nitila, yes, you can say queen is forking, but the problem is you will capture it. So it's a loss for you. So, see, fork should always help you. Correct?
Oh.
In all my position, fork was helping you. Here, fork is bad, but it's also a fork.
Even bishop is taking the queen here.
Yeah. Right, Nitila? So we should
Yes.
do the fork, but our advantage. It should be our advantage.
Yeah.
Good try. So let's move to the second one, okay? Because we have to do a lot. So second tactic is, hey guys, you should note down all the tactics. It's very important. Let's go to the second one. Pin. I have used the pin also. Okay, first tell me anybody know what is pin? And write down, guys, what is fork and what is pin, please. Anybody want to tell me? Except Aditya, he may be knowing, but what is a pin? Have you heard about pin?
Yeah, I heard it. That
Have you used
if
it,
a
Ishan?
Huh?
Have you used it, pin?
Yes, I have used it
Explain.
against my dad. In
Good.
play.
Explain what is a pin.
Yeah, if a more valuable piece is behind a normal piece and the normal piece is attacked and that
Very nice. And guys, fork and pin we should always use. More valuable piece. See what is happening now. Can you tell me what is happening here? Who is pinned? The
bishop.
bishop is pinned because the moment bishop is gone, king will be attacked. So bishop cannot be moved. Agree, everybody? The queen is pinned the bishop. Queen has pinned the bishop. Bishop cannot move now. Pin is a very, very effective way of locking your. I have done so many times. You see, some of you should have seen that I have put the rook from say D. After castle, I moved the rook to D1, right? And in front of you, suppose some king is there. In front of king, suppose your queen is there or some is there. It will be locked. Correct? I have done in some of your games. Got the pin? What is pin? Your more valuable piece is behind less valuable piece. So your more valuable piece is behind your less valuable piece. That is called pin. Write down, take a snapshot. I'm going to show you more. Pin, very effective strategy tactic.
Sir,
Yes, please, Nishita.
so a pin is when there is a piece which is protecting king, but then if one
Can't
piece
move.
is there and can attack, then the king is in danger.
Correct. But Nishita, it's not necessary that pin is always with king. Even see the standard definition is your more valuable piece is behind less valuable. Even if it is not, if it is not here, say king, queen is there, then also problem, right?
So very valuable piece.
Yes. Got everybody? What is pin?
But
Yes.
sir, even there was a queen, we could have moved the bishop, but it would be gone. But it has advantage, but we don't have advantage.
But I'll show you in which position it can be queen also. Not in this position, but it can be queen also in some position. So what I'm trying to say is it's not always king. Though king is the most popular one, we mostly pin when there is a king. Mostly, but not always. I'll show you, Isha, just a wait. See the second one. Yes or no? See what is happening here, guys. Who is pinning whom?
The rook is pinning the knight.
Rook has pinned the knight, correct? Agree, everyone? Let's see more. What is happening now? See, Ishan.
Oh.
And I have done this lot in your game, some of your games. See, I have pinned your
But
I have built your knights many times. Yes or no? Right, Arnav? Just see some of your games. I'll ask you in the end, I'm going to analyze your game. You will tell me, sir, this is pin, sir, this is fork, okay? Got it, Achal?
Sir,
Yes, please.
if the bishop takes the knight, then the pawn can capture the bishop, right?
That's why I'm not telling the pawn. What I'm trying to say is, what is pin? Pin is black cannot move the knight, otherwise he will lose the queen. That's the pin.
Okay.
I'm not going to take the knight here. I am telling you, your knight is locked now. That is my objective. You know what is a good move now, Nishita? If I have to move, I'll put this bishop this pawn here. See what happens now. I will, if it is my move, I'll move this white pawn to here. See what happens now, Nishita? Bechara, this knight cannot move, but pawn is capturing. See? Agree? Because this knight cannot move because queen will be lost. So my logical move will be to move this pawn to here. Right, Mishita, agree or not? Divakar, saw that? The power of the pin.
Yes.
The idea is first you pin it, then force the pieces to move. So that is the problem. Any other question before I move? Next.
No, sir.
So before I do the skewer, tell me everybody, what do you want to tell me some examples of pinning on the board? I'll open the board again. Tell me some example. Any one or two people come because I want a live practice. Tell me some example of pinning. Anyone
Sir.
can come in. Yes, Mishita. Who is coming, Ishan?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Put the white rook on H1
Okay.
and the king on
Which king?
black king.
Black king on here.
No, on H4
Okay.
and put the bishop on the H2. Black bishop.
Sorry, you're right. See, yes, he has pinned the bishop. And later he will put some move. You know what? If it is Ishan, Ishan will say, sir, I'll put somewhere, not here, here. Again, that move was anyway bad, means it was good, but you are forcing again later. Good, Ishan. Any other move? Tell me anyone. Aditya, Arnav, Achintya, Nithila, Divakarji. Tell me pin examples. Because when you start making those thinking, then you will start playing. Anyone come in, please? Yes, Nishita.
The black king at d8. White rook at h8. And the black rook at g8.
You know, one more thing I'll tell you now. What if somebody put like this, na? See what happens, love. See what happens, love. If suppose, guys, do you agree what is the natural position? If now black says, oh, I will take it the rook, is more bad or not? What will happen?
The queen will be generated.
Queen will be generated, right? And he can't move this anyway. The only thing he can do is he can put this here. It's a very strong move. Do you know that how king helps? He can move this here for a moment. But just to complete what she was saying, it's also a pin. I have added the pawn, but it's also a pin. But without the pawn, the black can kill the white, right, Vishita? That's why I have to put the pawn. Right, Vishita? So you have to save your pieces. Good. Any other example? Anyone? Shall we move on?
Yeah.
So this is about pin. Third is skewer. Tell me, anybody have heard any time? First tell me, even including Aditya. Anybody heard what is skewer?
No.
No. I'll tell you some names. You will say, what, sir? I never heard about it. It's like this. Skewer.
Yes, sir. I have also not heard this.
I am going to tell you some of the German names. You will not believe that S is like that. So guys, skewer is this. Skewer is opposite of the
Pin.
pin. This time your more valuable piece
This is
in
in
front.
front and in front of the less
Skewer also.
valuable.
So what will happen now? I am giving a check to king. The moment king is moved, what will happen? Queen is gone.
The queen is gone.
See the skewer, how practical, how interesting is. Skewer is where your more valuable piece in front of your less valuable piece. More valuable piece in front of less valuable piece. And I am guarding this my rook with pawn. King cannot do anything with pawn, right?
Yeah.
Is that interesting? So those kind of things you have to understand that first you have to guard your piece, but you have to also play either skewer or pin. So Mishita, skewer when both will pieces either one can be captured. It can, but I'm thinking the difference between skewer and pin is skewer is when your more valuable piece in front and your less valuable is in the. See, king is more valuable, right?
It's infinite value.
Infinite value. Good. Can anybody think of some position of skewer more?
Sir, you can bring this white rook to the board.
What rook to?
White rook to say it will be
Here.
on this white rook. Na,
Tell me number, the cell
the
number.
number will be D. Here more valuable piece is there. Yeah.
As of now, king is more valuable than queen. That's what it is.
Now if we skip queen and if queen is more valuable, for example, as compared to a knight or a pawn,
Yes, we can do that.
that situation can be there.
Exactly, you are right. Yes. Got everybody skewer? Move on. Discovered attack. I use a lot. Anyone want to tell you what is discovered attack?
Yes. When means
Sorry, Aditya. And so yes, let Aditya tell first and then Isha.
Sir, I can give a try. By guessing by the name, it means that if you move a particular piece and a hidden attack or the
It's a hidden attack. You are right, Aditya. Ishan, complete what you are saying.
yeah, the discovered attack is means some pieces between the more valuable piece that is being attacked between the piece who is attacking and if there was means if a knight is between a bishop and a queen, so that's a discovered
I'll
attack.
explain. But before I explain the number 4 tactic, discover attack, one question for all of you. Think about it. I'll give you 30 seconds. I'm a maths person, so I'll talk in seconds. Think about it, pin, and think about the skewer. And tell me which of the pieces cannot do pin or the skewer.
Sir, can I know that.
Think, everybody think
The
it right on
king-
the
the
right
king-
on the chat, right on the chat. Which of the pieces cannot do pin or cannot do skewer? Think about it. Not all the piece can do. Only certain piece can do skewer or pin. Think about it. Write everybody in chat. Let's see. Okay, now king can't do. Okay. Who else? Tell me, Ishan. You are saying something. Tell me.
Yeah, the king can do, the knight can do, or the pawn can do.
Got it. Pawn cannot do. Knight cannot do. Just Divakar, you are right. King can do. Can be only done by queen, rook, or bishop. Got it? It's like when you start imagining, you'll never get only this thing. Both your pin as well as the skewer. So let's come back to the discovered attack. As Ishan has said it, discovered attack is like kind of a hidden attack. Yes, Mishra, you are right. Good. So let's try this. See now. Who want to explain me this? Who want to explain this? Divakar, you want to explain what is happening?
Here it is like knight is under attack. Arrow is there.
Let me just make it a
Yeah.
little smaller. Please tell me now.
So
What happened is, no, I tell you what happened is, my bishop was here.
okay.
My bishop was here, and I moved the bishop. So discovered that when my bishop was here, it was not known, but I have in mind. So it was discovered attack that if I move bishop somewhere, I am attacking. So discovered attack is a hidden attack. When my bishop was here at d3, it was not attacking the knight. Neither bishop or neither rook was attacking the knight. But I was knowing that the moment I move, it will be discovered attack. No, at that time, suppose my bishop was here, right, guys? And suppose somebody say, another say, some piece was here or here, or even if I kill that, this is attacking. Suppose somebody else rook was here, I can kill this and again discover. So discover attack is kind of a hidden attack. But you know what is important thing? This is called something called discovered double attack. In this move, there is double attack. You know what is that? It's a discovered double attack in this move.
Because the bishop is attacking the rook also.
That's the point. You are right, Ishan. Because this is attacking, but luckily this is attacking this also. So it's called discovered double attack. We should learn to how to do discovered attack, because discovered attacks are very, you can say, hidden attacks your opponent will not know. I have done one or twice in some of your games, not all. Any questions? Discovered attack. See what is happening? This is what I was saying. So this becomes discovered double attack. One move, attacking here and here. What happened here? My rook was here. I moved the rook to here. My rook was on c3. I moved rook here. Rook is attacking this. Bishop is. No, he has to anyway move the king. He will lose the knight. So to start thinking, we can call it double attack, but more importantly, it's a discovered attack, because till then rook was here, it was hidden. So you have to create those situations where your opponent will not be imagining, oh, I can be attacked in the next move. That is what you have to create those situations. Achintya, yes, you have used. Good. See what is happening here. Can anybody want to explain? My knight was on e3.
Now check. King is under attack.
This is a double attack because it's giving checks
Both
on
sides
Double
queen
attack, and
knight.
also, guys, it is double check. Double check
Double
is
check.
very dangerous. Single
The
check you can still
queen-
avoid. Double check, you have to move the piece. You can't put something in between. Agree? Double check is very
That's a
dangerous.
mate also.
It can do
So
bad.
it's a mate as well.
Almost
Because
a
you
mate
can't-
because the bishop and knight
you can't
can come
move.
between.
This was saying double check is the check where you have to move. Single check, you can put some pieces in between and save it. Double attack, you have to move. Unfortunately, here, that's why I said, if you put your game so much congested, there is no space for the king. See, your own pawn is creating problem. Can you see? Your own pawn is creating problem. So it's very important your game is clumsy or you have open spaces. It's all about open spaces for your pieces. Interesting? Windmill. I don't know how many heard about windmill.
No, that is electricity.
In the, I know, but in the chess.
I have heard the name windmill in chess,
In
but
chess?
I don't know what it is.
Okay,
I
good,
heard
good,
the
good.
name. I don't know what it is.
Okay, Mishita. Anybody knows? Windmill is when you are giving battery of checks, continuous checks, so that eventually your opponent will lose a piece. First, I'll give check from here. It has to move here, right? Then I'll put check from here, depending upon like what. If he moves here, if I remove here, Again check, right? Or I move.
But
I'll-
still it can capture.
What I'm saying is, if I do 4 or 5 moves, some of the piece I'll capture. So windmill means series of repeated checks. It's like you are doing windmilling, means you are giving series of check to capture one or more pieces. This is what is windmill. In the end game, it becomes very strong. I showed you one of the game of my game, right? I was doing a lot of checks at different position. First of all, the opponent will lose piece. Second, thirdly, opponent will lose the hope itself, right? See, it's just defending and losing, right? Windmill. Perpetual checks. So many. Okay. So we'll come to interference. There are so many things we're going to talk about. But as of now, you understood, because what we're going to do is, we'll talk about interference, we'll talk about overloading, we'll talk about deflection, we'll talk about decoy, we'll talk about what is that? Extra attack, and we'll talk about this Juzwang. It's all German term. In maybe the next class, but as of now, everybody understood what are the different 5 tactics I told you.
22.
Let's see some of the game. It was 22. Yes, windmill. So now what I'll do is, I can open some of your games if you want to open and tell me, I want to do some exercise where you will tell me, sir, it's a 4, sir, it's a pin, sir, it is that. So I will see that how pin and this is happening. Tell me who want to open your game.
So I would give it a try.
Aditya is playing very good, Aditya. I have seen your game, you're playing marvelous. Let me open chess on the web. Where is my chess on the web? I have to log in. Give me a second. We'll analyze some games with the strategies, okay? You will tell me where is my chess on the web. I have to log in 1 second. Okay, so Aditya's game, let's see whether we have, either I have done it or you have done it. In either way, you have to tell me. So this is Aditya's game. Let's quickly, anybody can stop me and say, sir, this is what you have done. I have done this. You can stop me, anyone tell me, sir, this is what the tactic you used or he has used. Okay, this is Aditya versus me. I'm just moving slowly, okay? Because Aditya is playing very solid game, Aditya, as of now. As of now, nothing. Nothing, Aditya, as of now. But we can analyze your game as of now if you want. You started with this.
Sir, I think so. I have made the 2 bishops in a file a little bit of congested because I'm not able to move my king.
I'll tell you what you've done very good. You started with e4, I started with c5. I want to play Sicilian. Let's see. You have defended your guys. Of all the players playing with me, as of now, Aditya playing very strong. And then Divakarji also played second game very strong. Okay. So let's see. So e4, c5, he is defending it. I think my analysis, he may have something in his own mind, Aditya. So I don't know. I'm telling my analysis. Okay. So
Yes.
I have done this just to open up, and in the future I want to put something here to defend it. That's my point was there. He has maybe put to defend this, and that's what it I believe. Or he's opening again here, maybe. Now what I've done is this. So he might have done this here, but I was prepared for this. No problem. Now, clearly this shows that he want to castle. My guess. Right, Aditya? That looks like.
Yes.
Now, I have played this move to defend this. Also, this cannot come here, so I put it this. Very strong game as of now, nobody's advantage. No, he has played this. And Aditya is saying correct, he has put so much congested here, right?
Yes, sir.
So no problem will happen is there is no much space to move. So I don't know maybe he wanted to attack this one.
But still,
But I could have said very easily this is this, right?
but there is a bishop supporting it already.
Exactly. So, but maybe that's fine because he wanted to move and he wanted to open up. So fine. He could have put it here to attack. See, okay, guys, that's the point now. He put it here. What kind of technique is using? Suppose you would have put it this here.
Pin.
Pin. He would be pinning my
Knight.
because I can't move. I do this. Good observation. So I moved this. Obviously, I should not open the technique, but I am trying to attack this. The whole objective is this. So now
Yes, I saw that.
he saw that he has moved this. He has no choice. He has to move that, or he should have moved that. So whether it's a good move or bad move, I'll not tell you now because it's a secret. But he has moved this. So one thing is when he moved this, he has launched the castling at one side. That's fine. He still can do the castling here. Not a problem.
And short
Then-
castling is better.
Sorry.
Short castling is better.
It's not always. It depends on opponent also. Where I am attacking, where he is want to defend. But now he can do not casting here, but that's fine. He can still do on the other side. Now, I made this is my last move, and there is lot of things here. Can anybody guess what I'm doing with this move?
Attacking.
So he has
Attacking this. Okay.
secured
I am forcing him to take a decision now, right? Right, Aditya? I am forcing him. I am not liking his pawn here. I say let's put it here. I am not liking his pawn here. So I say let him. If you do here, I have to capture. If you capture, I am very happy to capture this or this, but I want him to take this here. Okay? Because I know his positions are not good here. So that's good. Let's see what he has done. I don't know if he's done or not. He captured. No, again, I have not moved it. Tell me which is better. I am asking you live. Shall I capture with the? Shall I capture?
Pawn.
Or shall I capture with this?
You should capture the pawn.
I should not tell the strategy, guys. But why? Why pawn or why?
If you put the knight, sir, then when
The
you
knight can capture.
Knight
So your knight is gone because he has a knight as well.
No, I'll tell you one thing, Aditya. You should close your ears because I am telling something which you should not listen. It's bad for me, but guys, I'll tell you why I should capture with pawn. Can you think about why?
Because it will
Because he has
open
the
the
knight.
place for the bishop.
There is one more reason which I don't want to tell. Aditya, hope you have put your ears closed.
okay,
Guys,
sir.
the reason is if I put this and if we don't move any of this, I'll do the fork. See,
Yes,
see the
now I
guys.
see that it's coming.
See, guys, what is happening? I'll capture with pawn, and later, if it doesn't move any of this, I'll simply move this. It's a fork. See, guys. So I have to think about like that. Whether so, guys, you have to think about all pros and cons, and you are planning. So, though I revealed now, I know he will move one of these, right? He will move one of these now. So that's fine.
Right, sir.
So that's good. See, there's an advantage of you open up and want to see your game, right? That's good.
Sir, I
Okay.
actually wanted to analyze my other game.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Don't ask me secrets there, okay?
No, sir. Just
Okay. Because guys, if I lose with you guys, I lose a lot of ratings, okay? So that's fine. So let's start. So guys, if anybody can come in and please analyze because that is what we learned. I started with E4, he started E5, very solid. No, I thought it can be either Berlin defense or it can be, okay, these names I'll tell you later when you start doing with me. I have done this.
so my basic aim generally to start is to form a good pawn structure.
Yes, good pawn structure, okay. So I have done this to attack this and also in future if I put it here, I can defend. Let's see. He has played this, which is not a bad, good, which is a good move actually. He's defending it. And even if I put it here, I cannot. So that's a good move. Now, Rui Lopez. You know, there's an opening called Rui Lopez. I'm doing Rui Lopez. I know what, I know Aditya what you want to hear from me. I know what you want to hear from me because I know what move I have done. So let's see. So I am attacking this now. He has done this queen, which is not a very good move, Aditya.
So the reason that I did was that it was attacking as well as defending my knight.
I know. But see, what will I do now? You are right. No, people might think, what, sir, what you have done? See few moves later, okay? So I done this. He has removed his defense also because he want to open it up. No problem. He defended this. He removed the defense, but he opened it up. Okay. See what I done? I simply moved this. I have a lot of defense for this, and 3 defense, right? See now what happens. He is attacking my
Sir, I
knight.
think I know what will happen.
Is it? Tell me, Mishita.
There are 2 pins.
Okay. 2 pins.
Yes, sir. There's a pin. Knight
Let's
is pinned basically.
Light is built here now, correct? But you know what I'm going to do, guys? Let's see. If I move this here, see if I move this here somehow, see, no, he has attacked my knight. Should I really worry about my knight at this moment or no? He's attacking my knight here, right? But I am defending. So I have no problem with knight. No, he's attacking with 2 pieces. So guys, the rule is math. The maths comes here. Guys, a lot of people ask me where is maths. There are a lot of maths. Number of attack and number of defense should be equal, otherwise you will lose. How many people are attacking me? 1 bishop and 1 queen. 2. So I should have either 2 defense or 3 defense. 1 defense, 2 defense. I am good. I am not in winning position, but the moment I have, suppose he is attacking with some pieces, 3 or 4 pieces, I should have at least that much defense. Otherwise, I lose. So that's a basic math. Okay. So yes, please. Let's move on. He attacked. I have done what I wanted to do. See, guys, what he's doing now? It only pinned. He can't move. Right, Aditya?
Yes, sir. That's the reason. 2
Yeah,
pins.
because you removed this pawn, right? I told you, you removed this pawn. So now it's
Right.
difficult. So now, but what he has done is very good. Guys, he has done a very brilliant move. See the guys, he knows that his knight is gone. Everybody agree? So a lot of people get tense that my knight is gone, what to do? But you have to start, sometimes you start attacking. What he has done? He attacked. He said, okay, you take my knight, I'll take your bishop. No loss. Brilliant move, Aditya. Brilliant move. Understood, guys? But now, I'll not say, I say we have to be ruthless, right? We can't live like that. No, I am doing something for some reason. I am 100% sure he will move this year. It's not that choice. He has to do that. He will move this. There's no choice, right?
Right,
He
sir.
has to move this. Or he can take this. But anyway, he'll lose this, right? So he's done the right thing. He has moved this. Now, if I take this problem, I may move it here or I may move it here. You know the thing? So I'll go here and I'll move here. I'll move it here. No, I will tell you why I move it here. Okay? So let's see what happens. We can see what happens next time.
So
No,
I
he
just
will-
wanted to
He can
Sir, I just
happily
want-
move this here or here. He will save this knight now. Yes, tell me, Aditya.
Sir, I just wanted to mention that like the 2 moves that I did, didn't you miss the tempo? You lost the tempo basically in these 2 moves.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I
sir,
lost the tempo. You are right. So guys, listen, very important now. So Aditya asking, sir, I have moved my bishop like this. So I have lost the tempo. Yes. But you know, Aditya, what I gained?
Right, sir?
I lost the tempo. You are right. But I have gained emotionally. You will know that this game at this position I will win. At this position, if I don't do mistake. Why? I have screwed up your structure of defense here. See this?
Right, sir.
So if your pieces are equal, your defense is very weak. Can you castle now?
So there's no
advantage.
use castling.
See the guys, I have broken his defense. So because of this, no, he will move this. I know. That's fine. He will become congested, but see the defense. So I lost the tempo. See, this I said. Remember my last rule of the strategy, guys? Anybody remember, Divakar ji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My last rule of strategy was
Never follow the rules. Always.
no. Think when you to forget the rules, right?
Right, right.
So you are right. I am losing the tempo, but I am gaining overall advantage in the game. So I think you've done all the moves good except this. Because you moved this here, na? This become problem. As of now, it doesn't look problem, but when I move 2 or 3 more moves, then you know that what is the problem. But
So,
still,
sir,
it will be
I should have moved it 2 pieces, right? The 2 moves, if I had the chance.
you should not have moved this here at that moment.
Okay.
Because your knight is anyway in pin. Correct?
Right, sir.
No, if you don't have it, and then you could have put bishop here. Why you put bishop here? Tell me, you moved bishop here just to scare me. And I'm not scared. Correct?
Right, right.
But the moment if I remove queen from here, then you are attacking this with 2 pieces. But I'll take care of it. Don't worry. I'll take care of this. But it's a good move in terms of attacking. For a new player, Adya is doing very good because person will be scared. And sometime somebody move this rook here. Sorry, this knight, queen is gone. So he's playing very nicely, guys. We'll analyze one more game. Who will tell me quickly?
Me, sir.
Who has not done? Who has not done at all? Yes, tell me. Whose game? Any one of you. Ishan, we have done for you, but still anybody else. If nobody has done, then Ishan. Yes, please.
So can you do for me, sir?
Ruvantika. Okay, Ruvantika. Let's try this game. So Ruvantika is starting. Let's see. Guys, you have to identify pin and forks. Okay. I started with this. Very different queen. She has started with this. Nothing wrong, Ruvantika. I started with attacking this directly. You are not defending this, you are attacking me. Okay, tit for tat. No, very good, Ruvantika.
There is already a defense.
Tell me.
The queen.
Queen is already?
Defending the
I know, the queen is already defending. But see, what will I do now? I just defended and I want to open this for future. I want to open this and pin this. Guys, I use a lot of pins and a lot of fork. You will see that. She is defending this, which is good. Now, see, I said, I pinned it.
queen.
Ideally should have put it here, or she will run me away, correct? But that's the very bad move. Ruvantika, why you move the king? So that's not a good move. Why? Because when you're moving the king, there are two things: losing the castling thing. Secondly, you're getting king open. The moment king comes in open, no hope. If you want to defend this, bring this. Correct?
Bishop.
So king, no, the moment king come, I change my whole strategy. I say no, I attack king. I started moving the pieces because I want to attack king in the future. I changed whole strategy because she has moved the king. She again moved the king because she realized, oh, it's not. So that's fine. No king is secured. So she rectified bit, but see what happens now. Now tell me why I killed it. Okay, I will really be happy. Why I captured this specific purpose? Tell me.
Because if she captures with the pawn again, then the position will be opened. Okay.
Very good. There are two problems. One is double pawns. Remember I told double pawns?
Double pawn will be found.
And the most dangerous thing is, see the open file. What is the, see if I put it here, king will be checked out. See, it's very bad. I intentionally done that. I want to open her defense. Understood, guys, what I'm trying to say? You cannot open your king like that. So she had captured it as expected. I am moving king. Can you tell me what I moved my queen here?
Because you will go
I'll
on
put check
a6.
here. Right? You know, right? Because I thought it. So you don't start thinking about 2 or 3 moves at least. Not if you don't want to think about 5 or 10 moves, think about 2 or 3 moves. I moved it here because I want to move. Let's see what she has done. She has not thought about it. She has moved this queen. She's helped me. Okay, sir, that's fine. Let's see. As expected, check. No, she has to move the king because there is nothing else. Either here or here or here.
So basically, she wanted to defend that pawn.
B8 is
Sorry?
a bad position.
She wanted to defend
That pawn.
this pawn.
Right, because you're giving basically it's a fork for a pawn and a king.
Yes. It's a pawn for this and this. So she can come here if you want to save. If she come here, there's a problem. She comes here, very much problem. This is okay. Let's see. She's done better thing. She is sacrificing the pawn. What else to do? But this is there. So no problem, right? Nitya? So
Right.
now it's my turn. So I have to think about it. What should I do? Because can you
Sir,
guess?
I have
Guess what you going to guess? Tell me.
Sir, I have a question. It's not related to this game,
Yes.
but I have a question, sir. Sir, is it worth that we sacrifice a knight in order to so that the king can eliminate the knight, sacrificing its castle?
If you not just for sacrificing, just because if you are losing your knight or any piece, if you are weakening the defense of the opponent, then you can do. Not just because of casting, but defending. Because see, I have not lost anything. We just exchange. But even if I lose major piece here, no problem because I'm opening it, right?
Yeah, it's
Though I only exchange, I have not lost anything. So generally, by default, you should not lose because you want to avoid, you want to get like other opponent castling block. No. But if you are able to open up the defense, then you should. Then you should not worry about your piece. Now, what should I move, guys? Any ideas? She has moved. No, it's my turn. I am attacking here. What is my move? What will I move? Anybody guess? Any guess?
Knight to e5. Knight to e5.
Knight to e5 is a very good move. Why? I am going to do knight to e5 only. Can you tell me why? First of all,
Sir,
I am
because
limited by this. So I am not moving it,
So-
but if I move this, what happens? Tell me.
Then you
Uh,
can the mating pattern will be means you can mate her really quickly.
So Ruvantika, see what I am saying. If I move my knight here, my next move will be to check to put this here. Why? If I capture this, it will be check and you can't capture knight because queen is supporting it. So that is the purpose of if I move it here. If I don't move it here, any other good move? That is the most important move till now. Anybody, any idea?
You can castle.
I can castle as a defensive move, yes. But as of now, she's not giving any treat. That's fine. So Ravantika got it. Anybody else want to say, ask, we'll do quick 5-6 moves of analysis. That's for today.
Divakar?
Me,
Divakar ji? Divakar
can you do mine?
Achintya,
Can I do
only
mine?
one of them. Then only good. Okay, who didn't got a chance at all in last few classes? Tell me, any one of you. We'll do next time remaining maybe. Tell me, who didn't got a chance at all? Ruvantika is done. Ishan, we have done for you. Divakar ji. Tell me who won, guys. Any one of you?
Me?
Who? Nitila. We'll do for Nitila. Okay, guys? If you don't mind. Divakar ji, next time.
Sir, it's okay to do next class also.
She is very, very nice student. Nitila, I'll do for you. No worry. So, Nitila, which one? Which game?
Anything is fine.
Anyone? Let's try this. So, let's say how Nitila is doing. So, guys, please, this time you have to point, guys. I moved knight's opening. She moved knight opening. No problem. I moved this. She moved this. As of now, no problem at all. What did I do? Tell me, guys, what did I do here? Any tactic I used here?
You pin
I pinned it, right, guys? I have pinned the knight. She has put a very good move of bishop. No, I can't say pin because there's nothing to lose, right? So she has avoided the pin. I castle normal move. No, why she moved the queen there? What advantage, Nitila? No advantage. That's not a very good move. You lost one tempo, but that's fine. If you have strategy, that's fine. Tell me why I put it here. Any reason, guys, why I put my rook to e1?
because to support the pawn.
Support a pawn. In future, this pawn will be used to attack some things. Okay. Very interesting. This is a very common move of re1. Now, she is attacking my.
That
this.
was a discovered attack.
She is attacking this. This was a discovered attack. What, Nitila? You are giving me discovered attack. She has moved like this. I can't capture this because both can capture. Even knight can capture. See, guys. And she is attacking. Very interesting move, guys. Yes or no?
Yes.
What will I do now? Any guesses? What will I do?
Just capture the bishop to give her a
Nah,
chance.
I am not going to defend. So you know why I moved this, guys? I want her to take this. Because if she capture my bishop, I'll capture with pawn. My knight has a open space. See, guys, I want her to capture that. Understood, guys? How you play, how you think about it. I moved this. I want her to capture. I'll capture. Let's see what she has done. She has not done. She is attacking my this also. She is very smart. She is attacking my this. Very good, Nitila. No, I will see what I have done now. No, she has to either capture or go back. See the I have put it. Very simple move. But what she has done is she didn't saw that. Or maybe she saw but she want to attack me. So guys, like that. She's not defending herself. She's attacking me. Now tell me, good move? Yeah, it's not a bad. If I capture, she'll capture. But the problem, I'll capture this also, right? Nicola, you saw that. I am attacking your knight. You attacked my bishop. If I capture your knight, you capture my bishop. Then I'll capture your again knight. You are losing 2 pieces. You can't capture any big piece. You can capture at most this. So let's see. So now it's my move. So I'll not tell you what will I move, but so this move is not very good move because you are attacking, but I can capture your 2 pieces because you are already in attack. That's the problem. Got it, guys? But you are playing good. You started very well.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys. So, guys, practice those 5 tactics I told you. We are going to cover some more important tactics. We are going to cover overall 25 tactics at least. Okay. Once you learn tactics, guys, you start feeling your chess become strong, and then you start with the openings, some very popular openings. And that is the place where you can say, no, you know how to start making very solid games. Okay. That's all for today.
Yeah.
Divakarji, anything you want to say?
No, sir. All fine.
All fine. Everybody's okay? Ishan. So Divakarji, Ishan, everybody, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Next week. Bye bye. Take care. Good night,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nithila and everyone.
Thank you.